What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time stopping in, don't forget to go down below and hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and make sure your post notifications are on so that way you don't miss a video when I post one. Today I'm helping my dad out. We're going to tear up the ceiling, and then tomorrow we're going to put drywall in. So we're going to come in through here. We've already got some tore down, but we're going to take down all these acoustic ceiling tiles. They help detonate sound, and they also have asbestos in them, so we're going to dispose of those properly. And then we're also going to come through here and scrape down all of this old wallpaper that has asbestos in it as well. And after that, we're going to clean up the ceiling. And like I said, tomorrow we're going to sheetrock it. So that's what we got going on right now, but we'll see what else we get to in this video, so stay tuned. One other thing I forgot to mention was when we take down these ceiling tiles, they're all stapled on. So we're going to come through here. What I like to do is take a screwdriver and get behind the staple and just yank it out. Sometimes you can yank it out fully, or like this will happen, so I take a pair of pliers and grab the rest of it out of there. So we're going to do that for all these ceiling tiles. So after we get all these ceiling tiles out, we're going to take all the staples out, and then after that, then we can scrape all the wallpaper off, because we can't scrape it off all the staples on because it ends up getting caught and stuck, and this is a lot harder, so we're just going to take out all the staples.
No, I'm saying. No, I'm saying. Hey, Jules, I'll put you up for this for $150 a month, man. Your time lapse has to move.
happened there, bud? So it's the next day. Yesterday we got all the ceiling torn down, all the wallpaper. We went through and scraped it today. And the old man here is cleaning up, and he got the panel put together, which this is awesome. This helps out a lot. Put the drywall on here, like you'll see here in a minute, and it'll lift it up into place. And he went through and moved the ceiling light over a little bit, center of the room. So there used to be a wall right here that he actually took out a while back ago.
French doors.
Yeah, there used to be French doors right here. You can actually see right here where he patched in the floor. On both sides. There used to be a wall that came out on both sides, and the French doors right here. But we're about to put the drywall up, and luckily he has this cool little tool here for putting in the screws, which you can see right here. We'll load them up and shoot them in instead of having to do it the old way with drills, which is pretty awesome. But we're gonna get to it, and we're gonna wear masks because there's a lot of asbestos in here still floating around. So. So as you guys can see, we got all the drywall up. We're going to take a break here, and then we're going to go through and mark out, we're going to line out all of our lines on the drywall so we can screw it off. One thing I will say about this thing, kind of sucks. I mean, unless you get it perfectly straight up and down, it doesn't set or it skips a screw. So there's an attachment they sell for your drill that I was telling him about that he's looking at getting. But I think it would be better. You can stand here, you don't have to get on the ladder, you can zip them right up, and then it's kind of the same concept, but it's better thought out and it works better. But yeah, so we're about to take a break. And as you can see also yesterday, we ended up tearing all the paper wall off the walls too. This house was built in 1907, so all this wallpaper we had to scrape off, and it was pretty bad. That's why we're still wearing masks. Like I said, there's asbestos in it. But yeah, it's pretty cool. This old shiplap on the wall here. But we're gonna drywall on that tomorrow. We're gonna end up coming in here and putting outlets in because, as you can see, like I said, this house is old, so the outlets were in the floor. But yeah, a lot of work to be done, but it's gonna look good in here when it's done.
We were technically supposed to water down the asbestos is what you're technically supposed to do, but we're taking our chances.
Dad advice.
No.
Advice from Dad.
We're trying to prevent everyone else from giving him shit that we didn't water it down.
Alright, so we just got done screwing off the drywall completely, as you can see. It's 8 o'clock now, so I'm gonna call it a night and go take a shower and finally eat. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. It's a little bit different style, but it's not truck content. It's kind of more just what I do on a daily basis. But here is what we're doing at home. So tomorrow he's gonna get the outlets in, like I said earlier, from the floor into the wall, and do all the new 12-2 wiring to that. And then tomorrow we're also going to work on getting the walls drywalled. And then on Saturday, which is today's Thursday, on Saturday we're going to jack up this corner of the house because it slopes down into this corner a whole inch, so this whole floor is completely unlevel. So we're gonna jacking up the house on Sunday, which I might show you guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, go down below and hit the subscribe button and make sure your post notifications are on so you don't miss when I post a video. And we'll see you in the next one.
Look at this guy in his natural awkward habitat. Just sits here, staring at nothing.
Hey, she is something. Don't talk about her like that. Oh, press play again, real quick.
You were like, hey guys, we just finished screwing off the ceiling. I wanted to be like, yep, just screwing off.